my YouTube channel Ahsan CodeBytes. Today the topic is how to create Python functions. In this video I will show you how to create Python functions using Jupyter notebook and will guide you the different parameters and functions, indexing and syntaxes in Jupyter, how to create this with using the same. So let's begin. As we have Jupyter, click on new Python 3. As you can see, the Jupyter notebook will open. So let's start. First of all, you have to understand what's functions and why we are using functions in Python. A function is a block of code which only runs when it's called. You can pass the data function known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. What's you actually required against this? Let's start how to create a function. In a Python, a function is defined using the def keyword. Okay, let's start. I'm going to create a new function, that is my function. Def my underscore function, bracket open close, that's syntax, colon. Now the next step that you have to require, what you actually required against this my function. I just for the beginning I just want to write a simple text, that is print hello from a function. That's it. Okay, now my function has been created and I just want to call it the print data into against a function. So I just want to call it from a function, that is my underscore name, my underscore function, bracket open close. That's it, and just control enter. As you can see, hello from a function is printed on the screen. So what we have learned in it, you just need to create a function and just input and just declare of parameters or against your values, and you can use it. You can use the function in your code or program and call it according to your need. So the another one example is in functions. uh, let's moment. Okay, so in functions, let's discuss about arguments. What is arguments? Information can be passed into functions as arguments. Okay, arguments are specified after the function's name. Inside the parentheses, you can add as many arguments as you want. Just separate them with a comma. So let's begin with arguments. Def, the same syntax and keywords for function, my underscore function, and the argument f name. Okay, now what you have to record for this value against my function, that is the f name, the argument name, plus and what you actually required with f name value, like I have required uh, function. Okay, now I'm going to calling this function my function Ahsan Ali Ahmad. Now I'm going to call in these three functions in a separate way. That is, oh, there's an error. Let's find out what's going wrong in this. Ali, my function. Yep, a semicolon is missing from this. As you can see, f name, that is my function name printed to Ahsan, and plus function Ahsan, function Ali function, and Ahmad function. As you can see, the attribute plus the declare value showing as an in output against the value. Okay, the another one is number of, as we have different basically attributes and arguments and functions, so we just cover up a few ones for understanding the functions in Python.